How will your central air conditioning handle the triple-digit temperatures of a typical Texas summer? Now, according to the Consumer Reports, the problem is that you need to choose the right air conditioner first. Many well-known brands like York, Amana, and others are prone to equipment failure, requiring service calls earlier in their operational lifetimes. Now, Dan DeCirlo of Consumer Reports says that nearly 1 out of 5 of these units required repairs. Consumer Reports has also revealed its list of the top picks. And topping this list for the past 10 years is American Standard Silver Xi Central Air Conditioner. With high consumer satisfaction and low repair needs, this has made this unit a favorite with homeowners and HVAC professionals alike. Just ask local Spring, Texas AC installation expert Russell Server of Server Climate Control, and he confirms that with the basic yearly checkup from a local certified professional, the Silver Xi will give the homeowners a long life and energy savings for years. The Server Company website also recommends basic maintenance tips like cleaning filters monthly and keeping plants and debris clear of the units to help minimize the repairs and maximize its efficiency. You can find out more great tips on their website at serverclimatecontrol.com.